Hello again, everyone, and welcome this week to a very exciting, very special week of statistics here. We're moving into Chapter 7. Now, I say this is a very special week because we're getting what I consider to be the centerpiece of our entire study of the normal distribution. That is, we're looking at a concept called hypothesis testing. In 7.1, we're going to introduce to this stuff in terms of the general structures that we're seeing here for hypothesis tests. And then 7.2 and 7.3 are going to be about specifically the Z and T test. That is, we're going to be looking at situations where we want to make some tests of a mean mu using either the standard normal or T distribution, depending on whether or not we know sigma. In this case, it's a little more fair to know sigma, so I'm not going to skip over the Z test, which I know is going to be an exciting piece of news for at least one person. But anyway, with this stuff, we have our standard slate of work. We've got a worksheet. We have some assignment deadlines where in particular we're going to finish Chapter 7 next week. So we have our third exam, and this is, for a lot of people, the most difficult one, not because I think the material is the hardest, but because it is the longest in terms of what we're covering. But a lot of this stuff flows into itself. We'll see what that looks like. Anyway, we've got deadlines for all of our chapters 5 through 7 MyLab assignments. And then we've got a pre-assessment which you guys can use to let me know what you need as we're getting ready for exam 3. But I'll say this is really, really, really important stuff. It provides a lot of good context for what we've seen up to this point. It's, in a lot of ways, what we've been building up to for most of the semester. It's really good stuff you really want to pay close attention to. And I'll say that here, this was about the point in last semester where I got to about the level I'm at now in terms of being able to put together videos and in terms of the technology I was working with, my camera and my microphone. So the videos may look a little different sometimes from here on out because every now and then I may reuse a video that I took last semester because I think it still serves its purpose well enough that I don't need to make another one that would do more or less the same thing in essentially the same way. But we'll see how that goes as we're working. Let's get into Chapter 7.